So in this Interactive Brokers tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to withdraw funds from your account here on Interactive Brokers. So once the app is opened up on the home screen here, just go to the top left and select on the three horizontal lines. Once you're on this page, just scroll down to where it says Transfers and select that. Then where it says Withdraw Funds, go ahead and select that. It'll then bring you to this page right here where you can go ahead and select the method and the currency in which you want to withdraw funds into your account to. So you can go ahead and connect your bank account via EFT. You can do a wire transfer right here, and those are your only two options. It also show you the fees associated with it, as well as the methods, as well as how many steps it'll be, and how much, or I guess how long it'll take in regards to the speed. And you can also go ahead and select the currency. So if you wanted to, select Canadian dollars, you can select Canadian dollars and put that into your account, whatever the case may be. So just go ahead and select the method that you want to use, follow the steps this way, and then you'll be able to withdraw funds from your account here on Interactive Brokers. So thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.